This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Free Fire won't work on Wi-Fi from iPhone. So if you're using Wi-Fi and whenever you open the Free Fire app, the app or game not working, follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet working fine. Open a browser and open a random website. If the website working properly, it means your internet is working fine. If your Wi-Fi has a issue, then you can switch your internet. Then you can use your cellular data and then check the issue. The second solution is turn off low data mode and change Wi-Fi DNS. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on Wi-Fi and tap on this eye icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected. And here disable low data mode. Then scroll down, tap on configure DNS and here select manual. Remove previous DNS from here and add this to DNS 8.8.8.8 and the second is 8.8.4.4. Then tap on save and then check the issue. The third solution is offload the Free Fire app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, tap on Free Fire, tap on offload app, again offload app and then reinstall this app from here and then check the issue. And the fourth solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings, tap on general, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix Free Fire won't work on Wi-Fi from iPhone issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.